Today, our story is The Adventurous Little Mouse. Once upon a time, in a cozy burrow beneath a towering oak tree, lived an adventurous little mouse named Milo. Milo loved to explore every nook and cranny of the forest, from the tallest trees to the smallest streams. One sunny morning, while Milo was foraging for berries, he stumbled upon a hidden path winding through the forest. Milo, standing at the entrance of the hidden path, surrounded by ferns and bushes, with sunlight streaming through the trees. With his heart pounding with excitement, Milo ventured deeper into the forest along the hidden path. Along the way, Milo faced obstacles such as fallen logs and rushing streams. After a long journey, Milo emerged into a hidden glade bathed in sunlight. Milo's heart swelled with wonder and joy as he took in the beauty of the hidden glade.